I got a couple of videos of 288s in the past. I figured I'd get this one though. It is a 1998 288 lite. It has the large felling dogs, but it doesn't have the heavy duty spring up front. They went away from that at the end. It's also got spring anti-vibe, 4 points in the rear, low top, decompression. This is pretty much the end of this old muscle saw. This is the 288 XP Lite. If you ever get a chance, these saws are just tough. They don't have a rubber intake boot. They're solid block. They're very easy to work on. They pull a long bar extremely well. They're not high revvers. Get a chance to get a hold of one. They're great saws for long bars. Make a couple cuts with it. This one is bone stock. I couldn't see grinding into it. It's even got a base gasket in it. Dang good saws.